Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another limited edition to share with you, and it's from Asos. It's a brand takeover box and it's all products from The Ordinary. And this is the Icon Edit. It's a gorgeous box, really lovely. Inside contains 5 of the best-selling products and a little leaflet, but I'll go through them all in detail with extra information on the back there. It costs £22 and there's a saving of 25% if you were to buy them individually. I'll pop a link down below in my description if you're interested in this box for yourself, and any other offers on beauty boxes, any discounts on advent calendars possibly Asos have running. They do seem to have a code now and again which entitle you to have a discount. If I can find anything out, then you'll find it down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring it up and everything will be listed down there, including my giveaways and all my other codes for discounts and offers and things like that. Yeah, you'll find it down there. It says, let's show some love to The Ordinary's iconic offerings available at Asos. When The Ordinary landed in 2016, its motto was simple: clinical formulations with integrity. The brand was created to celebrate honesty in skincare, bringing well-known ingredients to market at sensible price points and using clear facts when describing technologies. This straightforward approach led to the birth of the Skintellectual. The Ordinary encouraged consumers to educate themselves on their skin type and how to use specific ingredients in order to make more informed choices when building an effective skincare regime. Since then, the brand has become a pioneer within the beauty space, known for using effective ingredients at optimal concentrations with transparent messaging and honest prices. The result is a solid collection of familiar, effective treatments accessible to everyone. I've been a fan of The Ordinary from the beginning. I fell in love with the hyaluronic acid and B5. That was amazing. The peptide serum, although it used to be called Buffet back in the day, I'm sure it's only recently they've changed it now to peptide serum, plus other things I can't remember. And if you're new to skincare, I definitely recommend checking them out. So yeah, so looking at this set then. So we have got here, we've got a moisturiser, something for the eyes, we've got hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and we've got a peeling solution. So pretty much a skincare routine in the box. So let's start off then with what I would use first. Would be the hyaluronic acid, which has been one of my favourites for many years. We've got hyaluronic acid 2% and B5, a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. There's 30 ml here. Now, we make hyaluronic acid naturally in our bodies, but as we get older, this depletes. So adding it into our skincare any which way is always going to be beneficial. Some hyaluronic acids can be a little bit tricky to use. You've got to be really careful about how much you apply on your skin. If you put too much, it can be really tacky and horrible, and any other skincare you put on top is going to pill. It's highly spreadable. You only need a little droplet and that's enough for your face. So it does last a long while. It helps to strengthen the skin barrier, reduces moisture loss and targets visible wrinkles. The formula is further supported by provitamin B5 to support hydration, resulting in smoother looking skin. So yeah, so we've got a hyaluronic acid there. Next up, we've got a treatment serum. This is niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%. It's a high strength vitamin and mineral. It's a blemish formula. 30 ml. So great for congested skins, if you've got large pores for instance, really great, and also blemish skin. So there's that. Formulated with a high concentration of niacinamide, which is B3, which works alongside the component zinc PCA, helping to reinforce the skin barrier and reduce the appearance of skin blemishes. So that's your targeted treatment serum. Now onto your eyes. This is caffeine solution 5% and EGCG. Reduces the appearance of eye contour, pigmentation and puffiness. And there's 30 ml here. I have bought this before. I used it a few times, but it's around the time where I was just using anything I could grab my hands, you know. Over the last couple of months to a year, I've been more aware of my usage of beauty products. As you may be aware, doing YouTube, I buy a lot of products that I can share with you, and also I'm sent PR samples from brands, so I have got a lot of skincare and a lot of it I can't use. I'm having to cut back on what I'm trialing and make sure I'm using up products that are already opened. without wasting anything else. And yeah, I ended up chucking this one away because I had it for so long and I knew I hadn't used it, which is a shame, but lots of people love it. Lots of people swear by it. It just says massage a small amount onto the eye contour AM and PM, and that is it really. So say here, if you want any extra information about these products, then I'm sure if you go onto the Asos website it will tell you. If not, go on to the Ordinary website and it'll give you a really detailed explanation about what each product does and the ingredients. This is a water-based eye serum formulated to target skin concerns around the eye contour. The formula's combination of active ingredients work together to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. So you've got an eye serum. We've got moisturiser. This is a natural moisturising factors and HA, hyaluronic acid, and it's a surface hydration formula. It's grease free and it contains amino acids to hydrate the skin. And there's 30 mils here. I've used this on and off for a couple of years as well. It's a really nice moisturiser, great for all skin types as well. Works with the skin to keep its outer layer protected and well hydrated. The formulation uses ingredients including amino acids, glycerin, hyaluronic acid and multiple other elements naturally present in the skin. Lastly, we've got a peeling solution. This is a AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial with pH 3.6 and there's 30 mils here. Now you have to be really careful with this one. You have to be really careful how often you use it, what it's like on your skin. It contains glycolic and salicylic acid. If you weren't already aware, you have to be really careful when you first start using them on your skin. Go in gently, maybe leaving it on for half the time of what it's recommended to see how your skin reacts. You might notice some redness, which is normal, particularly with this because it is a peeling solution. They recommend you use it maybe like once a week or so, from memory anyway. I will look into it a bit more now. It can just make your skin a little bit more sensitive, plus you need to wear SPF as well during the day. But look at the colour, can you see? It's like a blood red. You might not be able to see in the light here. Offers surface level exfoliation which encourages the natural shedding of dead skin. The formulation helps to clear pores and improve skin's texture and tone, resulting in brighter looking skin. It is not recommended to use more than twice per week. Yeah. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this brand takeover box by Asos, and they're all products from The Ordinary. I think this is lovely. It's a really nice box. I love the presentation of it, but the actual products as well. They're products that have been around for a long time, products I've tried myself as well. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.